Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to TechEasy. Today, in this video, I'll explain Salesforce CRM step by step within 8 minutes of tutorial. And if you are a beginner in the Salesforce CRM and this tutorial is for you, I'll be explaining very detailedly about each step. So, if you don't know how to create an account on Salesforce, you can check in the description. I already sign up for this Salesforce CRM, and this is the first page what you'll see. See, I just clicked on the home here. This is what the UI and the interface or the options what you'll see. Yeah, this is the menu what we are going to learn. And this menu items we can customize according to our choice. See here, accounts, contacts, leads, opportunities, reports, tasks. I'll be explain each one by one, okay? And first of all, how you can customize this. There is a pencil icon here. You need to click on this. You can add or remove tabs here. For example, if you don't want reports, you can click on this cross mark and click on the save. So as soon as you do that, in the menu bar, these reports get removed. Likewise, you can click on add more items. You can add by clicking on all, you will get all these items and you can add. First of all, not only Salesforce CRM, any CRM, customer relationship management is all about maintaining the records of your clients or the customers. Say, for example, if you are a app development company, so you'll provide services like designing and developing an app. For example, a bank, XYZ Bank, has approached you to design a website along with the Android and iOS app. Then that company, XYZ banking company, will be treated as account or a customer. So all such companies who visits your company, means you who visits your business asking for a service, will be treated as accounts. Accounts are nothing but the companies which approaches you for your services, to take your services. So to maintain all these records, these company or the client's records at one place and analyzing them and analyzing the data is possible with this Salesforce CRM. And there are many CRMs available in the market like Zoho CRM or Salesforce CRM, HubSpot, and these are among the popular CRM softwares. And first of all, you need to click on this drop down, then click on this account to create a new account. For example, say a bank called XYZ has approached you through a call, through email, or something. Maybe you advertise in the Google, they approached through your website and they contacted you through call. So what you'll take? You'll take something like their website or their company name. This is XYZ banking company. Say for example, XYZ banking something.com. Okay, just roughly I'm creating this. Type it's a customer and description you can keep, and all these details, phone number, you can give some phone number and you can save this. So this is one record you saved. See, likewise, I created few of the accounts here. These are all the accounts. So you'll maintain all these accounts like this. And coming to the contacts, for example, say if this is the company, in this company there are few members like business development officer and manager and someone executive manager or something. These are all the people which are working in that company and those are treated as the contacts. Say for example, from XYZ banking, there is a person called Adam which called you. So you'll take that person name and save it as a record or a contact. Adam Smith, something like that. Okay. As in the call, you'll ask his or her name and you're just saving. Okay. Account, he's from which company? Account in the sense, assume this is the company name. He's from XYZ banking. Okay. Title, he's the manager of XYZ banking and he called you. Okay, you can write the description, you can mention, you can save the phone number in future. purpose to have contact with them, and I'm just giving the dummy numbers. Don't worry, you can keep all the address, you can ask them and keep the address. And see here, you can save the contacts like this. I already saved a lot of contacts, all contacts I can say. See, these are the contacts I previously saved. And what are the leads? Usually for any business, if someone comes to you, your company, for example, I'm a app development company, I advertised in Google, so five people approached me inquiring me about my cost and price for developing a banking app. So I'll give that quotation. So that particular person will be treated as a lead. So the business has still not closed, but they just inquired about my services. This is called as a lead. This lead will be further converted into a deal once the deal is closed. Means if I send the quotation to them, if they accept and everything, we get into the business. We start creating the app for them. So this lead is converted to the deal. So to create a new lead, you need to click on drop down and click on new lead. And Mr. means the same, that contact. Adam Smith has called me. Adam Smith has called me, and company is XYZ banking. Okay, website is so and so website, and lead status contacted. See here, there are few: nurturing, qualified, unqualified. Nurturing in the sense you started a communication like 2 to 3 4 calls or series of emails and everything. But in my case, in my example, he just contacted me. That's why I kept that lead status as just contacted. And you can fill up you can fill up the email and click on save. See, the next one is the opportunities. So I'll just show you all the opportunities what I saved. See, these are all the opportunities. See here, these are the quotations or the amounts for the services what I provide. All these records I just maintained here. To create opportunities, click on new opportunity, and likewise opportunity name like banking app creation. You can just banking app creation, account name, which is nothing but the company here, company. And the close day for this deal means by 6th of next month I need to convert this lead into the sale, means that is my target. Okay, amount, how much did I quote for this, and description, and where is the stage we are negotiating. Okay, probability of this lead to get into success means to win this deal, what is the percentage? By contacting or by having the conversation, you can say how interested is the customer to take your services. Say for example, if it is 50-50, I'll just keep the 50-50. Yeah, pipeline, and click on save. Okay, yeah, click on save. Yeah, see here now in the opportunity section, this is the pipeline what you'll see. What is the pipeline? Say for example, see, the pipeline will have different stages. One is the qualify and meet and present. Means if the person came to you and if you present your service, and if the proposal is at that stage, you will be keeping this opportunity in this state. Just select this, propose. You propose with some quotation, and after the quotation, negotiations will go on. Means they'll bargain about the price, about your service, and then if everything goes on well and good, if you click on close, so you won this deal. Yeah, likewise this opportunities pipeline will be decided. So if you click on this home here, home section, See, these are the tabs where you can analyze the data, means all these records. See here, in accounts, there are number of records. In opportunities, there are number of records. See here, and all these records are hard to analyze. That's where we'll use this home section, where we'll get all the data in the diagrammatic view. Diagrammatic view in the means pie charts and bar charts, and I'll explain everything also. And before going to this tasks, I'll explain task in just 1 minute. Say for example, I am the business owner or the company owner, CEO. What I'll do means I'm just handling this customer relationship manager as the admin. What I'll do is I'll assign the tasks. Assign the task to my employees, the people which are in the my company. Say for example, business development officer. So what I'll do is I'll just click on this drop down and I'll click on the new task. I'm just assigning my BDO, business development officer, to contact Adam Smith. So what I'll do is, say for example, he's one of my employee in my company, and subject call which person. The contact is Adam Smith and he is from the company XYZ Banking. As this record has already phone number, so you'll get the phone number. So tomorrow only just make a call to him and I'll comment. Uh, Try to close this deal. Try to close this deal. Close this deal as soon as possible. Yeah, see here. So you'll write the comments and you'll click on the save. So as soon as you create this task, the same person, this particular person, when he logs into his CRM in his computer, this task will be shown as the open task. So for him, it will be something like that. Yeah. So if he completes on his system, he will say something as mark completed. If he calls to the other person like Adam Smith and he talks about this lead and converting into the sale, once it is completed, he will make it as the completed status. So, and coming back to the home section, as I said, all these records, these accounts, contacts, leads, and opportunities, all these things we can visualize or we can analyze this data using this diagrammatical view, or means like pie charts or bar charts. So I'll explain you one thing. See here, there is the my opportunities data section. See, these are okay. Before going any further, how you will get this opportunities and leads tab here? There is a drop down. See here. If you click on change card, so I'll quickly change one card and I'll show you. See here. You can click on drop down, click on change card and choose whichever card do you want to appear there. For example, if you click on opportunities and click on change card, here you will get this opportunity tab. So we'll analyze now. We'll click on view report so that you will get an elaborate analytics data. And see here, by looking at this chart, under qualify stage, there are 6 records or the 6 leads. Under meet and present, there are three records and 3 leads. For in the proposal state, there are 2 leads. In negotiation state, there are 3. And see here, closed one in the sense this lead has successfully converted as the sale, means they agreed to take our services and they paid the initial amount to start the work. So you can just looking at this within 1 minute, you can analyze the data. See, if you scroll down, all these records will be, see, under qualify there are 6 records, under meet and present 3, proposal 2, negotiation 3. So what you can do is, see, negotiation stage is almost close to the deal closing. So I'll concentrate on these 3 records. See here, this probability is 75%. So what I'll do is, I'll just immediately click on new task and I'll arrange 3 persons for this 3 deals. So I'll make 3 tasks for 3 different people in my company to contact them immediately and ask them to convert this deal to a closed win deal, so that we'll get some business and we can convert these leads into sales. Likewise, we can analyze this data, and we can, by seeing this pictorial representation, I will get idea about where I am lacking, where I need to better myself, and what are the reasons. If I lose any deal, what are the reasons why I am losing my deals, and everything I can analyze through this pictorial data. And one more thing, not only these bar charts, you can also analyze this data by clicking on this, what is this, settings gear icon. For example, okay, the current one is the column. You can click on this bar. See here, by clicking on this bar, also see here, qualify. Okay, qualify, there are 6 records. Meet and greet, proposal, closed one. See, in whichever format you like in the funnel. So you'll get, by looking at this, there may be like, for example, in the opportunity section, there may be like 1,000 records also. You can simply analyze data by looking at this pictorial representation or graphical UI representation. Yeah, if you do have any other questions regarding this CRM, Salesforce CRM, please do ask in the comments. And please do ask on which subject, means on the Salesforce CRM, on which subject should I do the next video. If you like this video, please do hit a like and share it to your friends. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.